Hello everyone. I'm Adrian and I'm 6 and I am kindergarten. And this is our art show. This is my buddy classroom and this is my buddy computer. And this is room 3. And this is my classmate Anthony. This is my art picture. I made it for the art show. This is my snow picture. This is my classmate. This is my classmate Alberto. Not a burrito. This is my puppet alligator and Allie the alligator. This is our measurement. This is my classroom and I am kindergarten. I'll be first grade and I'll be first grade soon. This is me, I'm so cute. I look like Daddy. This is my gumball machine. This is my bee fly artwork. And this is the rest of the kindergarten artwork. This is the air balloon artwork. And this is the kindergarten's artwork that we made. This is when I was young. Thank you everyone for coming. And Valentin is in Mexico now. This is my classmate Alberto, not Burrito. And this is my classmate Chiquina. This is my plants from Zoe. And we eat it. Thank you everyone for coming. See you later. Bye.